Hi there! In this video, as I promised, I want to share my method of getting rid of aphids on beets. Now you see on the screen a bed of beets with no aphids on them, not a single leaf. I used a folk remedy that anyone can prepare. It is contact acting without any chemicals. And this is what my beets look like before this treatment. Almost every leaf had black aphids on the backside. Where there was a lot of it, it simply destroyed the leaves, and if I hadn't done this treatment, all the leaves would have looked like this. The beets would have died, and I would have been left without a harvest. Therefore, it is imperative to fight aphids, otherwise they will destroy this crop and move on to your garden. I used ash to prepare this remedy, but it must be fresh or stored in a dry, dark place. Those ashes that have been wet in the rain are no longer suitable for processing. I filled a liter container with ash, about 300 grams, poured 2 liters of boiling water over it and left it for 1 day. When the ash infusion was ready, I took 72% laundry soap. For this volume, I needed only 1/10 of a bar of soap. It needs to be grated, poured with a small amount of boiling water and stirred until it dissolves completely. While the soap was dissolving, I strained the infusion from the ashes. This can be done with old tights or, as in my case, a flour sieve. Make sure to strain it so that the sprayer does not clog. Then all that remains is to mix the strained infusion with dissolved laundry soap and you can go spray the beets, but here you need to treat the treatment very responsibly. This is a contact agent. Both ash infusion and laundry soap have an alkaline effect. Getting on the surface of aphids, they destroy them. Therefore, you need to treat only the lower part of the leaves on which the aphids are located. Otherwise, the product will not work, and it is not very easy to do this on beets because the leaves are close to the soil. For 100% effect, the treatment should be carried out in the morning or evening in dry, sunny weather. Otherwise, rain can wash away the product. Also, it is necessary to carry out not one treatment, but several, because the first time you may not hit all the aphids. Therefore, do 2 to 3 treatments with an interval of 2 days. And then, like me, there will be no aphids on the beets. By the way, the ash infusion for beets will also be a potassium phosphorus fertilizer. It also contains many other nutrients that are quickly absorbed through the leaves, and as you can see, this is the size of the beets before processing, and a week later, look how it has grown. So friends, if the information from this video was useful to you, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the release of new videos.